The iPhone 16 Pro is barely a month old, but rumors about its successor, the iPhone 17 Pro, are already making waves. With exciting potential upgrades, especially in the camera department, the big question is, should you upgrade now or wait for next year's model? Let's dive into everything we know so far. Camera upgrades, a photographer's dream. One of the most talked about features of the iPhone 17 Pro is the camera. Analyst Jeff Pu suggests that the 5x telephoto lens will get a massive upgrade, jumping from a 12MP sensor to a 48MP sensor. That's a huge leap, especially for photographers who rely on high-resolution zoom shots. For reference, this year's iPhone 16 Pro telephoto lens, while decent, still has the same 12MP resolution as before. But the iPhone 17 Pro promises not only a 48MP telephoto sensor, but possibly a larger sensor as well, meaning improved image quality, particularly in low light. If you're on the fence about upgrading your iPhone 16 Pro for its camera, these rumors might make you reconsider. Other camera improvements. The iPhone 16 Pro already impressed with its 48MP wide and ultra-wide cameras, and while the ultra-wide doesn't have the same computational magic as the main camera, it's a nice boost for macro shots. The iPhone 17 Pro could bring these enhancements to the telephoto lens, potentially making it a go-to for photographers. Display and performance. What to expect? While the cameras are exciting, the display on the iPhone 17 Pro might not change much. Rumors suggest it will retain the same sizes, 6.3 and 6.9 inches, and the same 120Hz promotion technology, which offers buttery-smooth scrolling and gameplay. What could change, however, is the introduction of LTPO displays on the regular iPhone 17 and iPhone 17 Slim models, making high refresh rates more accessible beyond just the Pro line. Performance-wise, we expect the iPhone 17 Pro to stick with the A9 Pro chip, built using TSMC's 3nm process, just like the iPhone 16 Pro. However, the real game-changer might come in 2026 with the iPhone 18 Pro and its potential 2nm chip. Still, with 12GB of RAM on the iPhone 17 Pro, up from 8GB in the iPhone 16 Pro, expect even faster multitasking and enhanced AI capabilities. New design, slim and stylish. One of the most exciting design rumors is the iPhone 17 Slim, rumored to be the thinnest iPhone ever with a camera setup housed in a visor similar to the Pixel 9. This could be a game-changer for those who prefer sleeker designs over bulkier models. Color-wise, Apple might shake things up with 3 new titanium finishes: teal, green, and dark green. If you're tired of the usual muted colors, this could be a refreshing change. Is it worth waiting? The iPhone 17 Pro is shaping up to be an exciting upgrade, especially if you're focused on photography and design. But for those hoping for a big leap in processing power or price drops, the wait might not be as rewarding. Apple is known for incremental upgrades, and while the iPhone 17 Pro is sure to impress, waiting for the iPhone 18 Pro may be more beneficial if you're after cutting-edge technology like a 2nm chip.